All right.
So I'm starting with the matte side again. I'm really going in there and picking up that product, tapping off any extra, and just like Jess said, going right in there just below my cheekbone to give me a nice little tone. Contour that face, give us those, you know, we all like that cheekbone look, right? So I love this because how many times have you gone into a color and next thing you know, you've got a brown stripe and now you're trying to push it around, now you're trying to cover it up. It's never gonna happen with bareMinerals.
Right, that's
right
what
there.
we said, no line of demarcation there.
And then I like to go, you saw Jess doing this with Leah, I like to go right across the top of my forehead at my hairline and then frame a little bit at my jawline,
that's
across
where
the
I
chin.
like. I love
all
the
of this just pushes your features forward. On the sides of my nose. And because it's matte, you're never going to see a whole bunch of shine and an overly deposited look to your skin. And if you do feel like you have a little too much, just go ahead and buff it out. It's bareMinerals, right? So now I'm gonna flip over my brush, go into the luminizer, and go right for that cheekbone. And look at that. It just gives the look of radiance, of moisture, of health, and glow to the skin. You know, we've all seen somebody who has, you know, something shiny on their skin, you know, whatever they're calling it. We're like, yeah, I see that. I don't want you to say, wow, just like your foundation. I don't want you to say, you see my luminizer. I want you to say, oh my gosh.
You see my luminizer?
Your luminizer looks amazing.
I see you at luminizer and I raise you.
And I raise you, right?
Glow.
I even like to take my finger and put it in there and just kind of hit my Cupid's bow a little bit.
Ooh, that's pretty. But look how subtle it is. And you know what? Patricia, I think, says it best in our chat. She says, this looks so natural. I think that's perfect. And then